Hi, this is AtomBomb98, and I'm sure that most of you who own Zippos know that after about a week, even if you don't use them, the fuel evaporates, and then they run dry and you have to refill them. Well, I found a solution on how to make Zippos last longer. Maybe not forever, but last at least like a month. And it helps you save fuel, and it's just good for survival bags because if you ever put a Zippo in a survival bag, chances are when you need it, it'll be dry and it won't light. But this way that I found, you can put a Zippo in a survival bag, and when you need it, chances are it will actually work. Here's my solution. Putting a Zippo in a little Ziploc bag. It prevents air from getting in and out, so the fuel doesn't evaporate. I've had this Zippo in here since January 6th. That's about 3 weeks ago. Now, most Zippos would have been long dry by now and will not light. However, I'm going to open this up and we'll see. This is just a standard $10 Zippo you can get at Walmart. And it lights. Like I've said, I've had this in there for about 3 weeks, and it's lighting. That's a big improvement to the standard 1 week time that most Zippos have before they run out of fuel. So this helps a lot, and now you can store it in a survival bag, and maybe it'll last for a while. I use lighters and Zippos for paracord projects, so I burn the end and it helps them from unraveling. But yeah, this is a great idea because every time I usually need a Zippo, they're dry, and I end up just using a Bic. But now this way that I found, I can use my Zippos and not really have to worry about them running dry. So yeah, in the future I might review some of my collection. I have a pretty large Zippo collection, and I'll show that off in future videos. Thanks for watching. This is AtomBomb98.